What's going on, everybody? So we were out here at the shop, gonna do some work on the SN95 to get it ready for Ridealong-o-Rama here in a couple weeks. So hopefully it's a pretty easy day. On the schedule at the moment is just do some oil change. Got about some tires, new Westlake's going on her, so we have fresh set, and probably try to clean some wiring, stuff like that. So we're gonna check on one thing real fast. We did have some issues with the idling when it got back on trailer, but we think it's just from sitting. So we'll see. We'll test a few things here and there and go from there. But it should be a pretty simple day, hopefully. But our luck, most likely not. So, but no, it should be good. I'm excited. So we'll get in the shop and get some work done on the SN95. What's that? 2.5 wide lens. 1.5. Yeah, 1.5. I don't know. You look so small.
Well, it's so you can flip it around to see yourself.
That's true. Good point.
So anyway, we're draining the tank currently.
Yeah, it's
according to the gauge, it's full, and we've only got 10 psi of fuel pressure, both at the rail and straight out of the tank. So, unfortunately, not an obstruction somewhere. It's just straight out the tank, 10 psi. So, and again, it says a full tank, so we're gonna take that to heart.
yeah. Never really tested it yet. It's supposed to be an easy day. We're supposed to just come in and do some wiring or clean up some of the wiring, new fluids, just check everything out, do it once over for the Ridealong-o-Rama here in a couple weeks. But when Corey moved it onto the trailer a few days ago, it started idling. Wouldn't idle it's on its own, really. And we've had some gremlins here in the past at the last event where it would, if it did spin out, it would just kind of flood itself or die or whatever. But there's also some missing here and there. So either way, we found the culprit, we think. So we just ordered a fuel pump, fuel filter, and also need a new belt as well. So we'll get some stuff done, and we'll turn to an easy day, turn it to a little longer shop day.
Yep. Can never be easy.
Nah.
Always got to be something. That's all right though. This really isn't too terrible of a job. Plus, the guy before us put all new components in it. So, I mean, who knows if that was 2 years or 3 years ago, but still, everything looks good. It ain't got a super rusty tank and lines and all that stuff. Anyway, we're gonna get it right.
Oh yeah. And the other thing on the agenda today was gonna get some tires mounted, and just order myself some new Westlake's for the Ridealong-o-Rama. So the set I have on the car now is pretty much shot. I wore those out the last private day, and I had a spare new set ready to go, and then I ended up buying myself another set, so should be pretty good for Ridealong-o-Rama. That car doesn't go through much tire at all, especially with back to back when they went through a 7.5 at Ridealong-o-Rama, so or a private day, so it should be good. So Corey's on a mission. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Parts are on the way. So she's draining. I guess the gauge was right. It does have a full tank, so it might be a minute. So, this drains. We'll drop the tank and put the new fuel pump in, new fuel filter, and see what happens. Yeah. Culprit has been found.
Yeah, that'll do her. Look at that. There's even.
Oh yeah. Holy crap. Oh yeah. Yep.
Cool.
Sweet.
Confirmed.
Well, that's reassuring. Yeah. I wonder if that could. Do you think that could have an issue with the hanging in the RPM as well? Maybe. I guess we'll find out.
Potentially.
Good.
It could do weird stuff.
Yeah.
It's not giving adequate fuel pressure, which is funny that the whole time we've had it, it's been running. So it's like, why check
great.
it?
Yeah.
This is one of those things of checking between events now. Now it's on the brain.
Yep. Cool. All right. Unboxing with Corey.
That's it. Got that new.
Ooh.
Look at that. See?
Yeah.
We've got old and busted and new hotness. Yep. Love that. Cool. Sweet. It's not too bad.
No.
Honestly, it was probably longer draining the fuel than it was pulling the tank.
Yeah, I mean, we had to wait for the parts, so it drained the fuel, and
Yeah.
that helped.
Cool. I'm glad that that's like reassuring like that. Like, hey, look, busted out line. That's crazy. Can't imagine why we had 10 psi fuel. I can't believe we got 10 psi fuel pressure.
Right.
and the fact that it actually drained the tank all the way to the bottom rather than stopping there.
Right.
You know? So I guess it makes sense of like it's pulling from down here, it's just pushing down. But anyways,
Yeah.
pretty wild.
Sweet.
Cool. New one going in.
New one in. Here, let.
Oh, she clean.
Oh yeah, she's good.
Got a couple of little guys in there, but whatever. Nothing major. He wasn't lying when he said he put a new tank in
No.
this thing. So good on him. Thanks for being legit. Appreciate that. Let me just bloop. Let me just bloop. And it spins around like that. Make sure I get that sock all the way in there. I think I need that. There we go. There it is. Set it in there like that.
I
And
think
the
so.
spinner.
Sweet.
And boom. All right. Back
Cool.
in the. Oh, there's a. Oh no. It's a new. It's a new seal and a new.
Oh, cool.
Thing. I guess I could probably plop a new seal on here, huh?
Yeah.
I mean, it didn't leak before,
Doesn't hurt.
but it came with it, so we got to do that.
Cool.
Bad boy. That was stuck on there too, man. This. Bloopity bloop. Trash. Take this. Take that. Bloopity bloop. Set it down in a little groove there. Set this back down. Bada bing. Bada. Now you don't want to go back in. There it is. Take this bad Johnny. That. And then take my hammer and my screwdriver. These guys. Bing, bada boom. Cool. She's in there. Alright, time to go back in the car.
Okay.
I think it's like a little too close. Perfect. Sweet.
Got the crew.
Come on, man. This is your job. Big crew. Come on.
Go.
Huh? Race 93.
Woo!
Race car. Okay. Good. Yeah, go ahead. Just flip the switch. It's climbing. Still priming. Oh, there it goes.
Ah, that'll work. Dang.
55. That'll work. That's better than 10.
Way better than 10.
Alright.
Cool.
Sweet.
Alright.
Zoom out. Yeah, screw it. Go ahead and start it. Make sure it's not in gear and crank her up. Just make sure she runs.
Loud noises.
Race car noises. Yep. Better. Give it a little, just a little. Living the dream.
What? 8 we've done today?
Yep. Gonna be another 6, no, 4.
Oh, yeah.
Almost there.
Yeah.
On the back half.
Yeah. Yeah, for.
It's not that bad. Just hot. Fire in the hole!
Ah!
Could be a ground. But
Yeah.
this definitely looks way wider.
Yeah, it's way, yeah.
This has more stretch than both of these. But, yeah, I mean, these are pretty close on stretch. This one just has a little bit more round up the side.
Yeah.
That's wild, though.
That's insane.
And, I mean, it could also be a little bit deceiving because of tread pattern.
Right.
At least on this one, looking wider, just because it has a much more, I don't know, like, it's just such a different design. It's got the 3 main ribs in the center while this is all directional. But anyway, it's definitely cool to see. Wow, these are all 235 4018s on 18.5. So,
That's
cool.
nuts.
But we'll see how they do.
Yeah.
Cheap, so we shall see.
All right, well, the car's ready to go. Fuel pump worked. So, excited about that. No, it's fresh oil in her and everything like that. So it's ready to go for Ridealong-o-Rama. So we're gonna give her a little bath real quick and then maybe do a quick little test run with her and go from there. But this car sounds so rowdy. It's so rowdy.